Hi, it's Sam Manor from Little's Child Restraints. Today we're down up here at Leppington and I'm here with my mate Lenny Zappa. He's a world champion boxer, and so yeah, we get all types come and get their seats fitted. So what's important than what we're showing Lenny, he went away to one of these major baby shops to have his seats fitted. What was lacking is how to use the seat correctly. And I know you might be a first-time parent thinking, well, you know what, I've got a child seat, you've gone somewhere, but no one's given you any idea how to use it. So education is a big part of actually using your child restraint. Having a seat fitted is one thing, but using it correctly is a completely another ball game. Because if you don't get that right, it's the 1% of things you don't do inside the seat that can lead to some of the serious injuries. So what we want to do, we're going to help you and show you how to use the seat correctly. Having your car seat fitted is very important. So what are the things that we look at and what are the things that we do to help you to understand your seat and working it correctly? Well, we try and make it as easy as possible. And there's three things that we are targeting to help you to remember how to use your seat correctly. One, always release the harness off the child's body. Two, always readjust the harness on the child's body. Three, always watch the shoulder heights to keep them level. If they ain't level, you need to be going up. So release, readjust, and watch. What does that all mean? When I'm releasing the straps, it makes it easy to get their arms out and prevent twisting. When I'm readjusting it on the baby, I am not relying on the last time I put them in, that was the correct tension. And when I'm adjusting it, I am watching constantly the shoulder heights to ensure that the straps do not end up below or dipping or rolling behind the shoulders. This leads to spinal compression, which could lead to a possible spinal injury or an ejection from the car seat. So I'm going to show you in the car seat what that all looks like so you get a better understanding on using your seat correctly to keep your child safe. Okay, now we're inside the Kluger. We've got a graphene EA. It's a safe and sound Britax brand. So what I'm going to do is show you those three simple steps: to release, to readjust, and to watch. So let's have a look at this. So you've got the top harness here, and I've noticed a lot of people keep these straps up, like Lenny and his wife, unfortunately, trying to get the baby over the top or underneath. This is a new car. Their last car was more aerodynamic. And how many times did you hit the child's head, Lenny? He's nodding his head a few times, hit the door when it's coming in over, because of the lack of room. So with the Klugers and obviously bigger cars, you've got the space. So what does it look like? Number one, on the side here, you'll see the strap. I want you to put your fingers on the back of the buckles, not inside the buckle, and your thumb here, quite opposite to what I'm doing. Press, hold, pull to the back, giving you beautiful access to the child. Now come and have a look at this. Okay, taking the child out. We're still in the release process. We need to release the harness of the child's body. Press the button here. Now with the graphene, they've got a cover on the back of it. So you can see this plastic cover here. Well, you can actually drop that cover down so you've got actually access to your harness. Okay, now have a look at this. I'm going to press the button here. And again, if you want to show them this over here, and I can pull the strap directly upwards. It's very light. Have a look what I've just done here. So there's the strap here. I've pressed, pulled it up from behind, making it easier to get the child's arms out. Now I'm ready to release. Press, hold your clip and slide your clip. And the reason why we hold the clip, because we don't want to create twist, making it easy to get their arms out and over the sides. So hold the clip, slide the clip. Avoid grabbing your harnesses, because the more you grab your harness to throw them over, the more twist you create. The more twist you have, the less surface area and more prone to soft tissue injury. We want to avoid any form of injuries. Hold, slide over the arms and look at the room you have and the space to get your child out. Now we're ready to put the child in. Legs are either side, arms through here and the head's up here. As I roll it over, I always grabbing the clip. The key to prevent twisting is holding your clip. There's no other easy way to explain it. Roll it over. Now with all the slack around the child's body, what you want to do is grab it from the top of the seat, behind the seat, and pull down. Some seats, like the B First and other seats where they've got the cover on the back, you can't do this. Everything has been released from the front and tensioned from the front. So with this, I can pull it from behind, grab the strap at the front, adjust it, locks in. My finger is a good indication how firm it should be. 2 fingers is too much, 1 is good. Also be mindful when you tighten it up. Now we're looking at, because we've just released, we've just readjust, now we're watching the shoulder heights. If you find that your straps are dipping below the shoulders, okay, especially for a newborn, you cannot exceed below the shoulders in a newborn. For a toddler, you get away with 25 mil, but we're asking you, as soon as you see it dipping behind the shoulder, it's an indication you need to raise it. Failing to do that, the strap goes below, you tighten it up, you are now causing spinal compression to your child, which means the straps will easily fall off the shoulders, and in a serious form of impact, that child can eject from the seat. So Make sure the straps are either level or above the shoulders at all time. That's why you release, you readjust, and watch the shoulder height when you adjust. Let's say the straps need to be adjusted, you release it. With this seat here, other seats are different. They might be a push and lift, depending what seat you have. This one here is up here, you raise it up or down. Have a look inside the seat here, okay? You can see how it's moving the straps up and down to suit the child's height. It's a real no-brainer. There's no reason why you should not be adjusting the straps to suit the shoulder height for the child. Up or down, and that's how that works. And that makes it easier for you. And the last thing you do, okay, is that you grab the strap on the side here and pull it up. And it's only a friendly tug. Don't over tension. A friendly tug is all you need. And once you do that, make sure everything's secured, nice and firm on the child. And now you're ready to drive away safely with your child and having your conscience clean about you've done everything right. A child safe in a seat means no accident is going to happen. I'm Sam, and we're going to catch you on the next video. I'm going to show you right now how to adjust the shoulder heights and the importance why we adjust the shoulder straps. What we don't want, and what we see a lot of when we're inspecting car seats, is when we see children car seats, what we don't want to see is the straps going below the shoulders. Going below the shoulders is causing spinal compression every time you tighten it. This could lead to possible injuries, like a child exiting from the seat or causing a spinal injury because the child's still trapped in the seat with no harness over their body. So it's imperative that you are watching the straps every time you're tightening it to ensure that these straps are not dipping or rolling behind the shoulders. If they are, and it's starting to look like that, with most seats, they have the easy adjust, whether it's a lever you lift or this little lever at the top here with the EA on the graphene, by raising it up or down. This will ensure keeping your child straps always correctly at the right height. Again, you want it level or slightly above the shoulders. That's all you need. The child's head will never reach the top. It's all about the shoulder straps, not where the head sits. I hope this information has been helpful. We'll catch you on the next video.